Hey all, hope you guys are doing good and hope you guys all settle with budget news. So I don't want to repeat about what happened on the budget, and I don't want to crib about the budget anymore. Right? You would have already seen the budget news. You are aware that now what is the problem if you are trading, or if you are intraday trader, or if you are a swing trader, you know what are the implications. Hope so. If you are not aware, I'll just give the high level details. If you are doing intraday or short term gain kind of a thing, which is like less than 1 year, if you are holding and selling in any kind of equities, then you will end up in 20% of tax from the profit. If you are making 100 rupees, 20 rupees you have to give to the government. So that is separate, right? On the top, what are the remaining profit again will come under the, when you're filing for the final tax, that will be taxed with the overall how much earning you had, and based on that they will put a tax. Like if you are a salaried person, so this profit will be added to your salary, and then again that will come under a slab, so you will end up in multiple taxes. Anyways, so this will happen. This cannot be stopped, this cannot be avoided. End of the day, we just need to move on with the whatever in the state. We cannot go and invest in any other thing. We have only solution is stock market. Without stock market, apart from stock market, we don't have much, we don't have any options to invest or find a way to earn money or run our business like this, right? So end of the day, we have to live with this one. The main thing is we have to, if you are taking a trade, take a mindful trade, don't over trade. And normally I don't recommend trading first of all, but if you are smart enough to understand the trade per concept, and if you have a clear cut of mindset, then please do trade. I see a lot of comments that it's easy to discuss after the market when you are doing a back testing. That's true, because you are not on the ground. When you are on the ground, then you will know how much pain it is, how much your mind is going to take the pressure, how can you control the pressure. So those are things that you have to learn. Nobody will come and teach you that. Everybody will tell you the methods and process. These are like systematic process. Yes, you will end up in losses in certain trades. That is unavoidable. But you have to take a trade with the full conviction, and then only you can survive. So anyway, I don't want to take much time. But today we are going to discuss certain, again, few indicators. We have discussed MACD, ADX, Super Trend, Bollinger Bands, right? We have discussed multiple indicators. But today, the one which we are going to discuss is a very powerful indicator. If you use this indicator with other indicators, you can get very good profit. So which I'm going to talk about. This method is followed by a lot of traders. It's very easy, very simple thing. Anybody can use this one. But this system needs a lot of preparations. Otherwise, it will not work. So let's get into that. This is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. So today the one which I'm going to show is used by a lot of very famous traders, and the research shows that using this particular indicator or using this method, almost like 70 to 80% win rate. Okay, so which is a very good win rate, right? So what is the basic logic about this particular method is, this is based on previous day's high and low, which means if the market is trading above the previous day high, that means considered as a bullish. And if it is trading below the previous day high, that is considered as a bearish. Okay, so basically this is mainly based on previous day high and low. Okay, so in that case, this is purely for intraday, right? So that is, you need to be very clear. And before that, you need to have a clear understanding about support and resistance, the demand and supply. If you are not aware, please go over my previous video where I explained about support and resistance. So these are the breakout area, and this is support zone. Okay, and this is the angled. Let's go to 1 day view now and mark the channels like this, so that you can have support and resistance like this. Okay, now we have to go to 5 minutes chart. Okay, in the 5 minutes chart, go to indicator and search for Dawn chain. You find Dawn chain channels. So when you click that, you will get this kind of a two blue line between that and orange line. The settings you will see, basically you will see 20 lines. Okay, you'll see this is the basic setting. What this means is it checks the previous 20 candles, and within the 20 candles, which it will try to find out the highs and lows. For example, this is the high. Count this candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so these are 20 candles. So this is the previous high. So this is your high, okay, and this is breaking the high. So whenever it is trying to breaking the high, we'll try to buy, which is like we'll get into the bullish mode. And whenever it goes, similarly, it breaks the downside, it is considered as a bearish and selling side. This is the medium line, okay. Normally the candles will be always pulled to the center line. And when it trades above this median line, which is bullish, and if it trades below the median line, it is bearish. This is the high level idea, okay. But so when it's 5 minutes candle, so we are not going to use the same settings. We need to change the setting. Instead of 20, change it to 96. The reason behind 96 is one day the trading is 8 hours into 60, you will get 480. And when you divide by 5 minutes, you will get 96. So that is why we are going to have 96 candles here, okay. If you are going for 15 minutes, okay, then same method. What you have to do is 480 divided by 15. You may end up with 32. So you need to have in 15 minutes, you need to change it to 32 candles. So this is the idea, okay. Now let's go to 5 minutes. We'll change to 96. Okay. Now whenever it goes above this break this high, we will go long, okay. So you have to enter here, and this median line is your stop loss, and it has to be 1:2 ratio. Yeah. So you achieve the target now. Okay, this is done. Similarly, let's find out. See, it went down, but it's a gap, so we will ignore that one. Okay, here it went down. So you have to go for a short position. So what you will have to do is, normally you have to enter here, and the downtrend channel is the orange is your stop loss, 1:2 ratio. Sorry, 1:2. Okay, it is not yet achieved. Stop loss is hit. Let's see another one. Here again, go for a long here. The swing low or the median is your stop loss. You need to have 1:2 ratio. Here also it's not possible. Stop loss is hit. Okay. So if you go with this approach, you will end up with lot of wrong trade. So for that, what you have to do is, first setup is you go for a volume. The indicator. So basically you have to find, okay, use the volume. So in the volume, you will get this kind of a thing. Go to volume settings. So normally it will be 20. Okay, you change to 30, and also style, it will be blue. So I change to yellow for my visibility. If you are using a light themes, then try to change different color, because the downtrend channel also in blue. This will be in blue, so that this may distract you. So now what you have to do is to just get a conviction. Whenever it gives a breakout, check the volume. It has to be more than or above the average. So which is like if you go to settings, so input is a 30-day average, moving average, right? So there is a volume MA. So you have to enable this one. This is default disabled. You have to enable this one. So this is where average, okay. If the volume is above the average, so then you can enter it. So this gives a positive side. Let's see where any other. Okay, here. So this is a positive. Volume also high. Let's try what happens here, okay, whether it works. No. So it didn't work. Even the volume candle, oh, I think, where did I select it? Correct only, right? Okay. So it didn't work. So volume also didn't work. So this also, it gives a conviction for some things, some may not go right. So for the other thing, what you have to do is, which is a very important indicator, go for Larry Williams Large Trade Index, LWTI. When you select this one, you get this blue and red line. Okay. So in this, you can go to settings and the inputs, change to period is 50 more, okay, 50. So you'll get like this. Now let's see. So the point here is, for the bullish upward trend, you need to have a volume up, downtrend breakout, and this line has to be up facing, like up. It should show up. Okay. Similarly, when it's a down, you have to see the red volume candle more, and the downtrend in the bottom has to break, and this has to be a red line the downward. So now let's see. This was the one we saw, good volume, right? But see, this index line is still red. Okay, so it's not a correct trade. So here, this is a red line, but you see the line is going upward. So this is also not right one. Here, It's a big red candle, volume is good, and it is going. See, first it's looking downward, like this, upward, right? Like up. So before this red line, see, you'll be seeing it is flat. It is still not in downward. Only the next candle, when you see, it is going downward. So this candle, you cannot mark it as your candle, because when you see a conviction like proper candle, that candle itself has to show the direction for your trade. If that candle is not giving you direction, don't take the trade. So this is, at this point of time, it is going upward. The red is showing like this. So we are not going to take this trade. What else? Let's see this one. Candle is breaking, volume is good, the green is going upward. So this looks positive. Let's go long here. So this is my 1:2. So this is achieved. Okay, this is achieved. Okay, this one going down, but still it's a green. No, it's here. Green is going downwards. So this is also not a trade. So here in this area, it's giving a breakout. See, the green is going upward, good volume here. So you can go long in this one. Okay, so swing here is our stop loss, 1:2. So this is our stop loss, and our 1:2 supposed to be here. Yeah, yes. So this is achieved. Okay, this one is achieved. There's full conviction here. Enter good volume, is uptrend, and everything is fine. So this is also worked out. Okay, here, see here, the line is flat. Okay, this line is flat here, but this candle gives you upward here, right? You can enter above this candle, and this is your stop loss, 1:2. Yes, it is done. So this is also done. Okay, here it is breaking down. Volume is not good here. If you see, volume is not good, but it is going down, but volume is not good. So I will not enter here. Here it is breaking up. Volume is good, but this is red, still not green. So likewise, you can find your trades. Okay, let's see Bank Nifty. So here, first break here, it is happening. Volume is not great, and this line is going dipping down. Here it is breaking up. Volume is not great. So current scenario also, volume is good, but it is turning like this. The green line is turning like this. Still there is no conviction. So Bank Nifty tomorrow, I don't think it's not showing positive side for me now. Okay, and let's see this one here. It is breaking. Volume is not there, and it is a red line. Let's see this one. So I'm just randomly going. Okay, here see the red line. It is flattening out. Volume is not great. That itself is gone now. We'll just ignore the trade. Okay, here when it is hitting, volume is good, but it is red. Right, you understood now. So let's take Hindustan Unilever, HDFC Bank. So you can check Tata Steel. Okay, let's take Tata Steel. So here if you see, volume is good, it is going down. Okay, this is volume is good, it's going down. If I take a short trade here, I'll enter here. My stop loss is here. Okay, I supposed to enter here, stop loss here. So this is also, this trade is not working. This is stop loss hit. Immediately it has hit the stop loss. Why? Let's explore this one. This is a red. This is, everything is matching. So this is a fail. So this kind of a failure also can happen. Okay, it's not 100% it happens. I told you, right? 100% it will not happen. Let's see this one. Volume is good, but it is going upward. So I'm not going to enter here. It's coming here. See this hit here. It is going down. Volume is not great, but here volume is good and it is going downward. So let's try this one. Enter here. Swing is my, okay. So this is achieved. This one is done. So likewise, you can check multiple things. So now you hope you got clarity about Downchain channel, how to use it. And so this is a very interesting one. Please try this out and let me know your output. If you like this video, do like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to press the notification icon. Thank you.